Welcome to Middleton Memorials, a family company that specialises in providing bespoke memorials and all associated services. Whether you need help choosing a granite memorial for your loved one, with the restoration and renovation of existing headstones, or perhaps additional inscriptions on memorials or graves, we are here to help you achieve the perfect commemoration. A memorial is a lasting tribute to your loved one, so it's important to choose it carefully and thoughtfully. We can assist you in all aspects, from choosing the right stone to final installation. We will keep you informed throughout the entire process. And as established memorial masons since 1988, we are a member of the National Association of Memorial Masons, and our dedicated team is trained according to national standards. We understand that losing a loved one can be a very difficult and traumatic experience for family and friends. Our caring and professional staff want to help you in any way they can. Operating across Dundee, Forfar and Arbroath, please contact us today for beautiful memorials made with love. Middleton Memorials, providing a professional, personal and caring service.